Welcome back to Kitty Brain TV. Today, we're going on a wild adventure to learn the names of 50 amazing animals from all around the world. Let's start our animal adventure together. Here we go. Lion. This is a lion. Tiger. This is a tiger. Elephant. This is an elephant. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Zebra. This is a zebra. Monkey. This is a monkey. Bear. This is a bear. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Panda. This is a panda. Fox. This is a fox. Wolf. This is a wolf. Deer. This is a deer. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. This is a cat. Cow. This is a cow. Horse. This is a horse. Goat. This is a goat. Sheep. This is a sheep. Pig. This is a pig. Chicken. This is a chicken. Duck. This is a duck. Turkey. This is a turkey. Goose. This is a goose. Peacock. This is a peacock. Parrot. This is a parrot. Owl. This is an owl. Eagle. This is an eagle. Crow. This is a crow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Fish. This is a fish. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Whale. This is a whale. Shark. This is a shark. Octopus. This is an octopus. Crab. This is a crab. Turtle. This is a turtle. Frog. This is a frog. Snake. This is a snake. Lizard. This is a lizard. Camel. This is a camel. Donkey. This is a donkey. Mouse. This is a mouse. Rat. This is a rat. Squirrel. This is a squirrel. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Penguin. This is a penguin. Seal. This is a seal.